mini update, I guess. So this is my new room. We got the bed right there. It's been 100% set up, but we're trying to make it align with where the TV is gonna be. That's where my uncle's old TV used to be, and we're trying to make it straight from there to there. We're definitely getting rid of this, but I don't know about that. I think we're gonna move that a little bit to the side. As you can see, we have the mini fridge right there. I'm gonna be moving that to that side once everything here is switched out. But yeah, other than that, I just need to get the daily brisk today, so let me get that real quick. Oops. Ooh. That's it for today's video. I'll be back to normal tomorrow once everything's all situated. That is all. Thank you.